I'm going to show you a very simple way of making chicken sauce. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. I start off by breaking up the Maggie cube into the chicken. I use 2. Then you add your complete seasoning along with your ginger powder. You can use as much as you want, as it was the powder, so I couldn't taste much. You would then add at least 2 spoons of your powdered pepper. You don't have to use it if you don't want. And then you're going to massage with your hands. Make sure you massage it very well, because this is where the flavor is going to come from. Use a little bit of oil. Don't use too much. You're not frying the chicken, you're only cooking the chicken. So you put the chicken in there, as you can see, stir. Then add a bit of water. I added some chopped ginger as well, just to give it some more taste. You then mix 2 tablespoons of cornflour with water. This will thicken the sauce. After this stage, you need to add your vegetables, which is the onions, the green peppers, the garlic, and the carrots. From here, you'd notice that there isn't really a lot of sauce, so you need to add some water. Then your soy sauce, you need to use your oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can leave that part out. Add some more water. And your cornflour, about another spoon of cornflour that you need to mix with water. Add some more soy sauce. And then taste. Yummy. It tastes really good. But yeah, so you just need to stir and leave it to cook. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.